Hi, my name is Rohit Gautamji and I am currently a third year computer science undergraduate student from Mysore, Karnataka. I first heard about e-gain technologies when I randomly connected with Devajit sir on LinkedIn, and that is one of the best decisions that I've ever made. I am currently enrolled in the AWS Solution Architect Associate course at eGain Technologies. Before joining eGain Technologies, I had a basic understanding of the cloud and AWS, but eGain and Devajit sir's guidance transformed that into a strong foundation. Everything that I know today about AWS, be it practical skills, certifications, or real-world applications, I owe it to them. Their unique approach to teaching not only made complex concepts easier, but also gave me the confidence to apply my skills out in the real world. I want to take this moment to thank Devajit sir and eGain Technologies for their continuous support and exceptional mentorship. I highly recommend eGain Technologies to anyone looking to dive deep into cloud computing or advance their career in this field. Thank you so much.